Welcome back to the, I don't remember what I called it. But I was going to take the motor off today. But I need one of those impacty screwdriver things. So I can impact all these out because they're just seized right on there. So I'm not even going to bother to try to take that off today. I do have it soaking with some PB Blaster. But to keep things going, I'm going to mess with the back. See what I can get off and what I can get replaced. I want to take this thing off to see if we can get this cleaned up. It's got to take it off these few bolts, 2 on each side, and it should slide out, hopefully. Then hopefully we can start getting the rest of this thing, this bad boy, apart and seeing what we can get, what we can fix. Alright, let's go ahead and start. It's definitely seen some better years, but came out really easily. These ones are actually really clean on here. Yeah, folks, these ones are really clean, unlike my nails. Yeah, this thing's definitely seen some better days. But you know, my plan is actually to convert this into a seat. So that way, when it's running, I can have a passenger like my girlfriend or somebody. But all the chrome's peeling off anyway, so I want to get it all tore down and repainted anyway. See about that fender. I don't know if you could see in it, but it is broken. That's probably why it wasn't working. But I am still going to redo the entire wiring on it. Well, honestly, it doesn't look too bad. This inside looks brand new. Seals still all pretty good intact. Everything looks pretty good in this. Surprisingly, the wires, they don't look too bad. A little dusty, but normal. Trying to keep everything together so I don't lose anything. Okay, so once again, I may have overestimated the amount of storage I had left, but I did finally get this piece out. That's gonna need a lot of cleaning up. I did get this piece out with keeping this mostly intact. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. It's a clean rip, so maybe. And I got the fender off. So plan is going to be, since I know I'm not going to get parts, I know it's not going to matter. It's an old bike. Cleaning it up is going to be impossible. Making it original, I'm not even worried about it. This is not a, I mean, if it was perfect condition with original parts, it'd be worth something. Otherwise, it's not really worth much. So I'm going to make it mine. This fender flare here is going to be black. Those metal pieces are also going to be black. I'm going to find something to turn these into turn signals, because they're not, apparently. Taillight's going to get redone. Everything's going to get redone. This piece is also going to become black. The chrome piece around here is going to be black. This is going to actually be a midnight blue. And so will anything that was red. I'll make the midnight blue. I want to get these off. I do want to keep these. Keep it nice original with that part. The exhaust, I'm probably going to have to do something to redo it. But I have to figure that out. I don't know how I'm going to do it with this part. But I do want to get the rest of it cleaned off. and then I'll figure out what to do with it later. Motor is going to come out. I'm going to redo some of the motor. I might have somebody that can fix this. I'm going to replace like pistons, shit like that. This is going to get redone. I'm going to reupholster that. Get new grips for these so it's not duct tape. Redo the cable. All these handlebars I'm going to fix up. Get these all redone. Everything's going to get redone. Clear out the light, make it nice and clean again. Try to get this all nice and shiny again. I'm going to try to use as many of the parts that I have on it. Clean it up, fix it up, see what happens. But yes, like I said earlier, this will be reupholstered into a seat too. As much as I wouldn't mind the chrome, but it's going to cost way too much for me to get it re-chromed. And if I want it looking nice, I gotta do what I gotta do. So fuck the chrome, it's going to be black and blue. This thing will be something, hopefully by summer. And that's all. Okay, this time I'm actually done. Got the shocks off. I'm fine, fall. But got the shocks off. Got the exhaust off. And I think that's all that you missed. I don't know why I had that random burst of, yeah, I'm going to do that. And then I did it. But yeah, that should be all.